So I'm going to show you how this performance of the Skywoman 7 with two lights on. Let me handle my phone in the tripod and I can release my hand. So now you can see here is the home page. Every touch I control, you can see that. And let me show you how big of the screen is. So you can see this screen is like about 100 inches, 90 to 100 inches. It's quite a big screen. Yes, and you can adjust the zoom to change the image ratio. You know, I can choose to 16:9 or 4:3, or even I can choose 16:10. So this image ratio is most of the projector has.